In today's modern age, the concept of a modular kitchen has evolved into a harmonious blend of functionality, aesthetics, and innovation. Welcome to Title Modular Kitchen Designs in 2024, where we delve into the captivating world of kitchen design trends that are shaping homes and lifestyles this year. At the heart of every contemporary kitchen design is the emphasis on modularity. Modular kitchens in 2024 are not just about convenience, they are a statement of style and efficiency. The script begins by highlighting the core principles that define a modular kitchen: customization and flexibility. Viewers are introduced to the idea that these kitchens are tailored to fit individual needs and spaces, ensuring that every inch is optimized for practical use without compromising on elegance. As the script progresses, it transitions into the latest trends dominating the modular kitchen scene. Sleek, minimalistic designs take center stage, showcasing clean lines, muted colors, and innovative storage solutions. The script describes how integrated appliances seamlessly blend into cabinetry, creating a seamless look that exudes sophistication. Technology plays a pivotal role in modern kitchen designs, and the script explores this aspect in detail. Smart kitchens equipped with IoT devices, touchless faucets, and voice-controlled systems are portrayed as the epitome of convenience and efficiency. The script emphasizes how these technological advancements not only streamline daily tasks but also contribute to a sustainable lifestyle by reducing energy consumption. The narrative then shifts to the materials and finishes that are in vogue in 2024. High-quality materials such as quartz, granite, and stainless steel are celebrated for their durability and aesthetic appeal. Matte finishes, textured surfaces, and subtle patterns add depth and character to the kitchen space, creating a visual delight for the audience. Innovative storage solutions are another highlight of modular kitchen designs in 2024. The script showcases cleverly designed cabinets, pull-out organizers, and hidden compartments that maximize storage capacity while maintaining a clutter-free environment. The focus is on creating a seamless workflow where everything has its place, enhancing both functionality and aesthetics. The script also touches upon the concept of sustainability in kitchen design. Eco-friendly materials, energy-efficient appliances, and waste management systems are portrayed as integral elements of a modern modular kitchen. Viewers are encouraged to embrace sustainable practices without compromising on style or performance. To add a personal touch, the script features testimonials from homeowners who have embraced modular kitchen designs in 2024. They share their experiences of how these kitchens have transformed their daily lives, making cooking and entertaining a joyous experience. In the closing segment, the script reinforces the idea that a modular kitchen is not just a space for culinary activities, but a reflection of one's lifestyle and personality. It encourages viewers to explore the endless possibilities of modular kitchen designs and embark on a journey of creating their dream culinary haven. Overall, Title Modular Kitchen Designs in 2024 presents a captivating narrative that celebrates innovation, style, and functionality in modern kitchen design, leaving viewers inspired and eager to embark on their own kitchen transformation journey.